Hello, Ballinger Creek community. For the last few years, it's likely you've heard our school motto, be here, be you, belong. This school year, we are highlighting the be you portion of our motto because we believe that individually, our culturally diverse backgrounds, our experiences, and all of those things that make each individual student and staff member at Ballinger Creek unique and different can collectively come together and make us stronger. Each teacher received this book by Peter Reynolds, and it was read to children on the first week of school. There's many common themes in dispositions in this book in which we can all relate to and learn from. So please join me as I share Be You with all of you. Be You by Peter H. Reynolds. You were born to be so many things. My wish for you, no matter where your journey leads, is for you to always be you. Be ready to take that next step towards being an amazing human being. Be curious. Turn every stone, ask every why, and keep digging deeply to discover your own answers. Be adventurous. Live a big life. When you are ready, step outside your comfort zone and bravely explore new paths to see where they lead you. Be connected. Find kindred spirits and be with those who make you feel like the real you. Be persistent. Keep going, never stop. Keep going, never stop. Keep going, never stop. Be different. Be silly, be quirky, be odd, be unique, be weird, be colorful, and be okay with being different. Be just the way you are. Be kind and be understanding. Help those around you be themselves. Listen, then listen some more and learn more about who they are. Be brave. Try new things. Take a deep breath and plunge forward into new experiences. It gets easier every time you try. Be your own thinker. Think for yourself. Set your unique course. It isn't always easy, but you'll be heading in the direction of you. Be okay with being alone. Take time to be on your own and hear your own thoughts, your inner voice. Listen to your heart. Be patient. Being more you takes time. Take a deep breath. Relax. Let your future unfold at its own pace. It will be worth the wait. When you need a helping hand and a compassionate ear and an encouraging word, reach out. Be okay reaching out for help. As you voyage into the world, remember, no matter what, you will always be loved. You are ready, so go ahead, be you. Be very, very you. Go ahead, be yourself, be the best version of you. Each day is a new chance to be more you. We hope you enjoyed this text that highlights our theme for this year as we continue to promote and explore our uniqueness inside and how we can come together and be the best Ballinger Creek we can be as we rejoin each other for our first full in-person school year of 2021-2022.